They're fighting. Kill their kills.
He's running in front of the brown thingy. He's running. OP. Yes, then why do you keep on, increasing your 6x? Oh. They're so fast. Bhai. Jan, take vehicle and rush. Finish him.
Someone is stealing.
One shot hit him. UMP, yeah.
Hey, one guy, snake in front of you. Behind. Look. That house. That brown house. Look. Scoop. Wait, he's running.
And what noob are you?
No, bro.
Oh. Snake. I know, right? Maybe he was low. Okay, try finishing him. Finish him. Finish him, Zani.
Hey, one guy, snake. Oh, OP.
Okay, now he's in the, what do you call this?
See my wish team.
In front of you.
10 kills, okay, 10 kills.
Okay, he's running. Zan. Oh my god, server timeout. Why? Hello?
Hey, what the?
Server timeout, man.
Tree. Tree. One behind over there. Oh, boy, OP. Running. Okay. Cronic, record करो. Oh, boy, OP then. You got the best position. Hey, steal their kills. Hey, that smoke the tree.
أمامنا عدو.
Yeah, you'll get damaged, but you won't die.
I need consumables. I'm out. Need ammo. Okay.
I bet easy chicken dinner for you. Top 10 OP. I told you, right? You will get 10 kills. Wait, okay. If someone is inside a house, I have a glitch. I can see through wall. That's the best thing about Samsung. If you're spectating someone, right? If you change to another person, then you can see through wall.
Let's go.
Okay, rush karo. Which scope do you have for the MK? Close range OP. Oh, 3x. I have 6x, no need of 3x. Missing? Oh wait. 9 kills. Oh, I took him. Okay. No. Man, you're so lucky, man. 9 kills.
Not bad.
Oh, by Camber. If you died, you're so unlucky. I'll say where he is. You can look there. Okay. Oh, look. Over there. OP. Shoot. Wait. Oh, he got knocked out. Lol. Wait. Sahil. Oh, over there. Wait, there's a buggy. Lolly. I wanted to get chicken dinner. My mine is still ready. Yeah. Lucky. Again, first year also, bye. Wait, okay, no one. Look the other side. Look for snakes. No. Oh, you can see. Cronic at the mountain. Spray time. One headshot of MK enough. Oh, one guy camping down. Oh, there. Finish him. Cronic, look behind you. It's a full squad.
Not bad.
Wait. Of course, bro. Intense match. Cost 40 plus. I got 7. Oh, babe. Take MK. I want to see MK spray. Oh, shoot. No. Okay. Go up. Oh, look. One guy running down. Running down. Bro, behind you, Cronic. One guy is running down, okay? Under the hills. Right.
Get to the safe zone ASAP.
I don't know where he is now, but he's next to you only. That I know. Okay, this guy will be down. Oh, look, that's the guy who I told. He's in the zone.
Get to the safe zone ASAP.
OP bolte.
Okay.
My God, man, he'll finish the full map now. He got knocked out. His teammate is there. Oh my God! Oh my! Oh my God! This guy.
Get to the safe zone.
For me, sliding and healing. Lol.
Wait. Okay. Hassanan. No.
Last people are down with one guy is mini 14 and another guy I don't know. Oh, smoke. Shoot with MK inside the smoke. Throw nade. Oh, camera.
Okay.
Chicken. Get beef, bro. Beef better. Camera. You have to reload. You can run easily. He'll die by the zone. OP. 40 plus. My minus how much? Minus 20.